Hello and welcome. Today we'll be creating this Excel pivot chart in under 4 minutes using data extracted from Jira using the IonaFX Business Intelligence Export plugin. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is get our data. So I'll launch Internet Explorer and browse to my Jira site. I will log in with my credentials and I will select any issue that comes up just so that I can get a quick link to my Reports tab. And scroll down to the Business Intelligence Export. Now I'll enter dates for a time period in which I'm interested. That will be January, the whole month of January. And click Next. Once the data is ready, I'll get options to download it in some different formats. I'll select the spreadsheet format. And that's all I need to do in the browser, so I'll close it. Next, I'll launch Excel so we can start building our pivot chart. And we'll go to Open, Browse, and we'll go to our Downloads folder and change the file type over to text files. And there's our data. I'll double click it to open it. With all of our data loaded into Excel now, I'll go up to the menu bar and select Insert Pivot Chart. And this data range is the entire data set. That's good, so I'll click OK. Now I want to see the state of our issue pipeline, like how many tickets do we have in the backlog or in progress, etc. And that's basically issues by their current status. From the online user manual and its data dictionary, I know that my downloaded data contains 3 types of rows that describe either issues, comments, or work logs. And an issue status is on the issue rows in our data set in a field named issue status. So first I'm going to filter for those rows by dragging record type down to filters, and then using the drop-down to select just issues, I. Next, to describe my issues, I want to use a count of unique issues. So I will take the issue key as a unique identifier and drag it down to values. And it automatically becomes a count because it recognizes that it's not a numeric value. And then I want to group these issues by their status. So I will take issue status and drag it down to the rows. And that's a basic pivot chart, but I want to make it look a bit better. I'll start by changing the title from total to something that looks a little bit smarter, like issue, can't see it, issue pipeline status. Now I don't need this legend either, so I'll just delete that. And all of these buttons here are kind of cluttering it up. So I'm going to right click on one of them and say hide all field buttons on the chart. Lastly, I want to change the overall theme from this. So I'll go up to the Design tab here and pick one that has a dark background. And that's it. We've created an Excel pivot chart using data from Jira extracted with the IonaFX Business Intelligence Export tool, which is available on the Atlassian Marketplace. Thanks for watching. Bye.